guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I am going to be trying to do this crunchy slime kit from Elmers. So, yeah, let's just get straight on into the video. Wait, but before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe button, and bell button if you want to be notified every time I post a new video, all on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? If you did, comment down below. Hashtag I did it now. Straight on into the video. Okay, guys. So I got this at Target. It is an Elmers kit because I love Elmers stuff. I only get Elmers. I mean, like sometimes I'll do like a Nickelodeon slime. Like I get Nickelodeon slimes. But I just, like, all my slime stuff is from Elmers, like all my glue and all my activator. Okay. Oh my gosh. So guys, this is the activator. So there's like foam beads in the activator. I don't know if you guys can see them or not, but it's activator with foam beads in it. So right now I'm just gonna get out all the stuff. So we have clear glue, an activator, this Elmer's metallic glue. I like this color a lot. And we have another activator. So yeah, I'm gonna open all these up and then I will get back to you guys. Okay guys, so I opened all like the activator and stuff. So the first ingredient, it says to pour in the entire bottle. By the way, guys, I'm gonna do the metallic one just because it's really pretty. Also, I'm not gonna pour all of it in. I'm just gonna pour a little bit, like not a little bit, but yeah. And I'm taking off the top because it doesn't really squeeze out of like the cap. I'm also doing it in a bowl so it doesn't get everywhere. Oh my gosh, I think that's a lot. I don't know if that's a lot or not. I think that's a lot, but I'm gonna add a little more. There wasn't really much in it, but I didn't add all of it either. There's still some left, but I just couldn't get it. Alright. So guys, I added this much. Yeah. So I'm gonna be using this activator. I opened up both of them, but I'm not gonna use one right now because I think I only need one. So it says to shake it up so all the foam beads like come to the top. So I'm just gonna do that. Shake, 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 shake. I think that I don't know if that's good or not. I mean, almost all of them are up on the top. Okay guys, I did that, and now I think it just says, yep, yeah, to do that. So I'm gonna use my stick to get it out because it doesn't really come out. So there's activator in here, the foam beads are in the activator. Okay, so I think that's enough so far. So I'm just gonna start mixing it now. Oh my gosh, this glue is really thick. At the end, since I have like just plain foam beads in my okay guys, so I added it in and it was really hard to get out. But I'm still mixing. So there was the foam beads and the slime and the activator. So, and it was really hard to get out. I'm gonna use some more because it's not fully, hold on, I need to put this here. Still really sticky, but yeah. It's not coming out. Okay, I I just tried to squeeze it and it did not work. So yeah, I put more, so basically the more activator I put in, the more foam beads it is too. Okay, I'm just gonna knead it a little bit. Okay, so since my hands were really dirty, my mom helped me pour it in off camera, and it's still a little sticky. So now I ditched the stick, and now I'm just using my fingers because it's kind of coming together. So, yeah. I need more. That's enough. Thank you. So if you like squeeze it, oh wow, okay. So if you squeeze the bottle, it'll like come out. Like if you dump it, like not dump it, but like hold it upside down and then squeeze it, it'll come out in a chunk. And then you could like use your finger to like swipe it off because it doesn't just fall. Okay, I just squeezed this one because I thought it wasn't like that sticky anymore, and it just got all over. Okay, so I think I just need to knead it now. It's pretty good. It's not as sticky anymore. But it's still a little sticky. So I didn't think it was gonna be as like much foam beads because I thought since I only used a little bit of glue, like not a little bit, but since I didn't use a lot of glue, I wouldn't need a lot of activator, which meant I wouldn't use as much foam beads. But there's actually pretty much a lot of foam beads. I'm just gonna get it off my hands now. I might need a little more activator, but I'm not sure yet. I think I just need to knead it in. Yep. So, guys, this is really good. I really like the metallic glue. I haven't tried the clear glue yet. I might not use the clear glue with the activator because magical liquid it's good on clear glue, but I would prefer borax instead. But this is really nice for like white glue, like the activator. So I'm just gonna clean my bowl now, try and get it all off. I got some on the side. How did I do that? Oh my gosh, I got so much on the side. Okay guys, so I would give this slime a double thumbs up. It turned out really nice and like really glossy. I just like it a lot. So if you want this kit, it is at Target right now. It's on clearance. I would really recommend it. And if you don't use like the activator, like I'm going to put this in the clear glue and the other activator and this in the metallic all in my slime set, like in my slime, like with my other slime ingredients so I can make it again. Yeah, so that's really it. Also, I have a slime, like a slime business kind of thing. So if you want to go to like your Google or Safari or whatever you have and type in gymnastcara.com and it will bring you to it will say like YouTube, where like an Amazon thing and Linktree, and click the Linktree / like slime thing and you can order some slime from there. Yeah, and then I would like email you or text you like what the price is or other accessories and stuff. So that's all today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what your favorite color slime is. Bye guys. ASMR. It's really glossy and it looks like a mermaid. Like the foam beads make it look like a pearl, and the color makes it look like the foam bead. I mean, like a mermaid. Oh my gosh. 10 out of 10. Recommend it.